Now let's look at the Vizsla in more detail. First, the head. It should be lean and muscular. The skull is moderately wide between the ears, like this, with a median line down the forehead. You can see that the stop is moderate, not deep. The muzzle is of equal length, or slightly shorter than the skull, and should taper gradually from stop to the tip of the nose. The muzzle must not turn up, creating a dish face, or turn down, like this. Removal of whiskers, while permitted, is not preferred. This head is very faulty. The skull falls away too sharply, and the frontal bone is much too prominent. From the side, the head is too heavily built, detracting from the desired aristocratic appearance of the dog. How would you evaluate this dog's head? The muzzle appears to be too long. Remember that the muzzle should be equal to or slightly shorter than the length of the skull, as seen on this correct Vizsla head. Note also that the planes of the muzzle and skull appear to be nearly parallel. You may see Vizslas that have had their whiskers trimmed, as this dog has. Although this should not be penalized, it is not desired. The whiskers help the dog in the field by sensing spatial configurations and alerting the dog to twigs or branches which could injure the eyes. Reliable hunting skills require keen senses of smell and hearing. The Vizsla's nose should have nostrils which are slightly open. The nose should be brown in color. Any other color is faulty. This dog has proper nose structure and color. This dog's nose, on the other hand, is faulty since it doesn't harmonize with the color of the coat. A solid black nose is a disqualification. Since a black nose disqualifies, owners of dogs with this trait should be discouraged from breeding their dogs. The ears are thin, silky, and proportionately long, with rounded leather ends. They're set fairly low and hang close to the cheeks. This dog has good ear shape and placement. It is generally agreed that the proper ear reaches to the corner of the mouth. This dog's ears are too long and are set too low. Jaws should be strong, with well-developed white teeth meeting in a scissors bite like this. Lips are neither loose nor pendulous and cover the jaws completely. These lips are too loose and pendulous. Eyes are medium in size and depth of setting, with the whites covered by the surrounding tissue. The color of the iris should blend with the color of the coat. Here we see an example of droopy eyes, which give the dog a houndy look which is not desirable. Lower eyelids that turn either in or out are also undesirable. This dog has proper eye shape, color, and placement. Proper eye structure and clear vision are imperative for a dog's successful performance in the field. Judges must remember that the Vizsla is a dual dog.